The regional data libraries supplied by a priori are a great starting point to help avoid rising supply chain costs. If a current supplier has increased price because of logistics cost or storage, then we may need to look for a more affordable alternative. In this example, I am analyzing a work package compared in two regions, China and Mexico. If I look at the components on the right-hand side, I can see that they are approximately the same cost in both regions, including all taxes and logistics in today's prices. If I look at the components on the left-hand side, there is a much bigger cost difference, which we can take advantage of, and we can see here that Mexico is the best option for these components. Therefore, these are the parts which I could safely move to that region. Then when another election happens and new taxes are introduced, or there is another global shipping crisis, I should see less of an increase towards the competing price in China and therefore not compromise my business. So this insight gives us the ability to analyze risk versus cost, to find the big opportunities and to do something about them.